Today we're going to make some shrimp a la Mexicana. We're going to need a pound of shrimp, 3 garlic cloves, salt and pepper. We are going to mix very well these ingredients. In a pan, we're going to add a tablespoon of butter, our shrimp. We're going to cook it for 5 minutes each side. After it's cooked, we're going to remove the shrimp from our pan. We'll start adding our other ingredients. The onion, our tomatoes, some jalapeno, our cooked shrimp, a teaspoon of cumin, fresh cilantro. We're going to mix it very well. We're going to add some salt to taste, simmer for a couple of minutes, and enjoy.